Are you the girl that does not like to clean your makeup brushes? It seems like a hassle. Maybe you have a junky makeup bag. Every time you put your hand in it, you get makeup everywhere, or your brushes just seem like really caked up with makeup. I know it seems like a chore. There is an easier way. Today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to go ahead and quickly clean and sanitize your makeup brushes daily, what you should be doing at least once a month. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Welcome back, beautiful. I'm so glad you are here. We are going to clean some makeup brushes. This is like the easiest way to clean them. So many people ask me how I clean my makeup brushes because sometimes I'm doing my makeup several times a day. I have to have clean brushes. Having clean makeup brushes gives you a beautiful makeup application. You can go ahead and leave your brushes to have a little bit of product on it for a few days. But eventually you do want to go ahead and clean it. This is the best way to go ahead and do that. With a brush, you have dirty brushes that look like this. Eventually they're going to go ahead and need to be cleaned. There's an easy way to do that, and I'm going to share that with you today. We're going to go ahead and clean these brushes here that I had used to go ahead and do my makeup with. Now, I like to go ahead and get a microfiber cloth. This one is one that I've been currently using. Obviously, I've used this side here that has makeup and this side has no makeup, so that's what we're going to use. Get a microfiber cloth. You can use paper towels. I like to use these and get a pack of them because I can reuse them, rewash them, and it saves a lot of money on just trying to use paper towels. If paper towels all you have, that's fine. Everything that I recommend is going to be down in the description down below, so go ahead and check it out so that you can get exactly what you need to clean these brushes. Next, after you have your microfiber cloth and your dirty brushes, you're going to get the brush cleaner. This is the brush cleanser. It's going to clean your brushes and sanitize your brushes all at that same time. The best part is you can go and use it right away. You don't have to wait till it's dry. What we're going to do is take the brush and I'm going to sit it on the microfiber cloth. I'm going to shake the product really well. And then I'm going to go in and spray on the brush, just like so, just a couple of sprays. And I'm going to start to move the brush around like this. This is going to allow me to get that brush nice and clean. I'm just moving it around and moving it to another spot on the brush. The brush is clean. This is what I use. This is the magic how I make this happen. My cousin had finally used the brush spray that I sent her. It took her months. Finally used it and it cleaned her makeup brushes. It doesn't matter what type of makeup because she cleaned all her brushes. It cleaned it right away. You just go in. I really like rub it. You don't have to rub it super hard. You don't have to be delicate and gentle either when you do it. Just go in, give it a nice little rub after you spray it, and then it's gonna clean that brush pretty nicely. We'll do the same thing to this side, shake it. You wanna make sure that you shake it up really well because a lot of people don't shake it. And then it's like, you gotta get those chemicals. You gotta get all the ingredients. I shouldn't say chemicals. You gotta get the ingredients, gotta shake them up a little bit. And then you're gonna go in, spray it, and then voila, clean it off. You can even clean off the product on the brush itself and make it easy like that. Now, once you have it cleaned, you can go in and use it right away. It's not going to irritate your skin. The spray, it smells really good. Shake it up before you use it and spray it. It is travel friendly, so if you are traveling and you need to take this with you when you travel, you can. You can carry it with you on your carry-on. It is that easy to use and travel friendly. You don't have to wait for your brushes to be completely dry to be able to use them. And I know for me as a makeup artist, that was one of my issues, is that when I had to have multiple brushes in different sets, because if I have multiple clients to work on that day, I can't wait to clean all my brushes. I can't wait. I have to give them a nice little cleaning when I got home. This is a great way to be able to do your own brushes at home or even in your personal makeup kit. when that is all said and done, you can go ahead and use your brushes right away. At the end of the month, I would say once a month, because I did tell you what you can do once a month to do a deep clean. You can use the brush soap. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and show you on the screen. This is a video of how you actually would clean your brushes at the sink using the brush soap. This particular brush soap has tea tree oil in it. It has the most magnificent clean smell imaginable. It's great for your skin when you have cleaned your brushes and your brushes have dried and you use it. It's going to be really soft on the skin. It's going to smell amazing on the skin as well, and it's not going to break you out. Having clean brushes is something that helps to go ahead and fight the bacteria that is on brushes and that can get on brushes when they go unclean for a long period of time. If you're someone that has acne can be an issue when you're using makeup, and having buildup on there can attribute to that or add more to it. Having clean brushes is really important. Last but not least, having clean brushes gives you a beautiful blend and helps to condition your brushes and help them to last longer. So when you have good quality brushes, you want those brushes to last you a good penny. Having a system that allows you to go ahead and clean them quickly on day-to-day use, or to do a deep clean that is also going to give it a nice conditioning treatment just like the spray does, that is going to be worth your while. If you have not taken the time to go ahead and get your brush cleaning spray, now is your sign. Get your brush cleaning spray. I recommend clean your brushes. If you are somebody that has acne or sensitive type of skin, clean your brushes either daily or every other day. For everyone else, clean your brushes once or twice a week and use the spray. Once a month, you can go ahead and use the soap. Once a month, you can use and then once a month, you can use the makeup cleansing soap set that has everything that you need in it, from the conditioning soap that cleans your brushes and sanitizes your brushes. Also, it's going to be lovely and smell lovely when it hits your skin. Let me know if you have any questions. What do you like to use? Have you purchased it? Be honest with me. How often are you cleaning your brushes? I want to know, because I have gone and had personal one-on-ones a long time ago. I used to do personal one-on-ones with women in their makeup bag and teaching them makeup lessons. When they would bring their makeup bags, those dirty brushes, those poor dirty brushes, and those poor beauty blenders were filthy. We can't have that. We have to clean our brushes. This is going to be so good. What you need, if you want me to actually show you a detailed video of how to clean the brushes with the soap set, just go ahead and let me know, or you can go ahead and save this video so that you have it. Until next time, all of the details are in the description down below. If you need something specifically, just shout it out in the comment section. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.